Hello everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to see who liked you in Tinder without paying. So as you can see here, I am currently using the basic plan of Tinder and I cannot access to some features here. For example, for the matches, if I'm going to tap this one and if I want to see who like me, I have to upgrade my plan into gold plan in order for me to see those people who like me. So as you can see, if I'm going to tap this one, I cannot see these people who like me, so I have to upgrade my plan. Now, in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to see those people who like you or how to see who like you on Tinder without paying or without upgrading into another plan. So all you have to do here is to go to your Google web browser and type Violent Monkey extensions. Tap this one. Select the first one that appears here, Violent Monkey. Tap this one. And then it will take you directly into the site. But for me, I added this already, so I have to remove it first to let you see how I add this to my web browser. So you just have to click Get or Add, and then click Add Extension. And after that, you can see it at the top right corner that this extension has been added. So in order to use this one, you just have to tap this side here or tap this Violent Monkey. So tap this plus icon, and then here you have to tap this plus icon again and select this insert from URL. Now you have to follow this, what I have entered or type here. You just have to follow this one, HTTPS, and then we have bit.ly, script Tinder 2022. Once done, click OK. And then tap this confirm installation. You have to tap this one, and as you can see, script installed. That's it. That's how easy it is. Now you can go back to your Tinder and then you just have to reload or refresh the site and then go to that matches icon or button there. Okay, go to matches and click. Now you can see there's 21 people who like you. But of course, I have to cover their faces for privacy purposes. And that's how easy it is. Thank you so much for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.